The all-new Honda Fit is one of the most stylish cars on the market, and with its advanced airbag technology, it's also one of the safest. The Fit has dual-stage, dual-threshold airbags to keep you safe while you're turning heads. And there's no better place to find the widest variety of Honda vehicles for you to choose from than at Vatland Honda in Vero Beach, Florida. Visit our innovative new website at www.vatland.com. There, you can see our huge inventory of new vehicles, find out what kind of special financing is available, check out our service center for information or to set an appointment, and learn more about Vatland Honda to find out what sets us apart from other dealerships. Vatland Honda is located at 700 US Highway 1 in Vero Beach, Florida.